Right, these are on now. I finished putting them together, and just jack the Jeep up and put them under the wheels. And I thought it was going to be like pushing a supermarket trolley around the supermarket, right? Nah, you have to really give it a shove. This Jeep is about 2 tons in weight, so yeah, no matter how many wheels are out on the bottom of that, you have to be facing the same way, and it takes a bit to push. I think between 2 it'd be easy to push it around, but at least it's on. It used to have 4 wheels, now it has 16. See you soon, mates.